Hey there! Welcome to the 7 home maintenance tips every homeowner should know. Straight from a seasoned carpenter who's seen it all, built it all, and fixed it all. Now I'm here to help you take care of your castle, whether it's brand new or been through a few wars. You don't have to be Bob Vila to keep your home in shape, but if you follow these tips, I promise your wallet, your walls, and your sanity will thank you. Let's get into it.
"22. Vacuum your vents and ducts once a year. You wouldn't believe what can collect in there. It's like a horror movie in dust form." 23. Inspect your attic insulation. If it looks like a pancake instead of a fluffy blanket, it's time to beef it up. 24. And hey, check that thermostat. If it's older than your kid, upgrade it. Smart thermostats save money and arguments over the temperature. 25. Test your GFCI outlets monthly. Safety first, always. 26. Replace burnt-out bulbs promptly. It's a small thing, but good lighting makes a big difference. 27. Use surge protectors for your electronics. Lightning doesn't play fair. 28. And for any wiring projects? If you're not 100% sure what you're doing, call a pro. Electricity doesn't care about your DIY spirit. There you have it. That's more than 25 home maintenance tips from someone who's been in the trenches, the crawl spaces, and the attics. Remember, your home is your biggest investment. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you. And hey, if you ever feel overwhelmed, just tackle one tip at a time.